Hi, today I am going to show you how to get to Seesaw activities using your student Clever badge. Students have their badges in the first page of the planner. So the first thing, you need to get to a Google website, then type Clever login. You need to go to the first link. It appears there and it has like login with Google, but students don't have Google accounts, so then you must need to use the Clever badge login. Then it shows the camera, and I'm going to use one of my student badge. Okay, so here it appears what your student have. As I said, I am focusing in Seesaw, and then I will create another video to get to Splash Math. So let's go to Seesaw. In Seesaw, you will find your student dashboard, and as you see, this is like the general information. Then your student needs to go to here to the left corner where your student name is, and go to my class, that is Señora Coronel. When your student is in my class, then you will be able to go to activities and find the activities that had been assigned to your student. There are different activities to complete. They are not mandatory unless I request them as a homework. If your student need any practice in any skill, you can see here and let them practice as math or reading, depending what I had assigned. And that's how Seesaw works using Clever. If you have more questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you. Bye.